with DJ Boys.
Why are you saying I'm crazy, doing what I am doing? Don't you give me no warning, or save me from ruin. When I tell you that I am okay, you look at me kind of strange, saying I'm not happy, I no longer play the game. Now you say that I'm lazy, dreaming my life away. Now you want to give me advice, say you're trying to enlighten me. When I tell you that I am okay, watching shadows on the wall, you say I missed the big time, boy, you're no longer on the ball. I'm just sitting here watching the wheels go round and round. I really love to watch them rolling, no longer riding on the merry-go-round. I just have to let it go. Now you're asking questions.
Wine swallow bite, whoa, not a break, nor a bite, no. Wine swallow bite, yeah, and we not eat first night. And I woke up this morning, eh, not leave my red cent into my pocket, no, into my pocket, yeah. Not even little sugar on the yard, yeah, to make some tea, this morning. Whoa, this morning. Ooh, my youths they are crying, and I might feel like killing. To see my woman just sat there with her hand on a jar, and just sighing, sighing, yeah, and just sighing, sighing, whoa, wine swallow bite, whoa, not a break, nor a bite, no way, wine swallow bite, yeah, and you not eat first night, hey, man hungry, whoa, man hungry, man hungry.
You're in the mix with DJ Boys.
There got to be a calm malice. My hydrant.
Behold how good and how pleasant it is for I and I to dwell together in unity. Jesus, the precious ointment upon the head that went to the precepts, even Aaron's precepts that went to the skirts of his garments. As the dew of Hermon and as the dew that ascend upon the mountains of Zion. For there the Most High Jah Rastafari commanded his blessing, that I and I should not die but live forever.
Ye princes and princesses, cross over the borders and break down the barriers and embrace one another. For there's a time to war and a time to cease. Just like a raging storm, there got to be a calm. There's a time to mourn and a time to dance. Let time heal the sores of war and throw away your weapons and cease fire. Cease fire. Cease fire. And light the chalice.
Oh, what a competition, but Jah is my highest region. Rocking through revelation, well, chanting to Jah holy nation. Come wash your sins away, little children, wash your sins away. Forgive that your sins may be forgiven, wash your sins away. Oh, what a situation, a one punch of creation, worldwide confusion, well, nuclear explosion. You better love your children instead of trying to kill them, yeah. Jah will visit with vengeance. You can't defeat him with violence, no. There must be creation and Jah to reign. There must be a people, well, to call upon his name. Lucifer is wounded, he loses the fight, think everything is well. Jah comes so real and so right, yeah. Jah shall come so real and right. Jah shall come so real and so right. Jah shall come so real and right, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Follow DJ Boys on Facebook and Instagram at DJ Boys Kenya.
Wash your sins away, little children. Wash your sins away. Forgive that your sins may be forgiven. Wash your sins away. Oh, what a situation, a one punch of creation, worldwide confusion, well, nuclear explosion. You better love your children instead of trying to kill them, yeah. Jah will visit with vengeance. You can't defeat him with violence, no. There must be creation and Jah to reign. There must be a people, well, to call upon his name. Lucifer is wounded, he loses the fight, think everything is well. Jah comes so real and so right, yeah. Jah shall come so real and right. Jah shall come so real and so right. Jah shall come so real and right, yeah. Nuclear explosion, oh, destruction, nuclear condemnation.
I've been searching land and seas for someone like you. Want you to comfort me like you know you should. I bet you don't know why I hold on so. It's because of how you make my wildest dreams come true. So when bells will ring
searching land and sea for someone like you. Want you to comfort me like you know you should. I bet you don't know why I lingered on so. It's because of how you make me want you endlessly. Oh, yeah. So when bells will ring, children will bring. My search is over, over and over. Ooh, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Don't add no more to it, baby. It's so nice already. I've been searching so long for someone to prepare my menu. Whoa, yeah. So when bells will ring, children will bring. My search is over, over and
Searching so long, baby.
when bells will ring.
Searching so long, yeah.
Ding-a-ding-a-ding. My search is over.
I'm searching so long. Oh, yes. Searching so long just for you, baby. Now that I've found you, please be true. No more heartache, no more pain, baby. No more sorrow, no more strain. But if you should leave me, I will surely go insane. But if you should leave me, I will never love again. Hey, 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 girl, we are together in this world. No more heartache, no more pain, no more sorrow, no more strain.
Connect with DJ Boys on Facebook and Instagram at DJ Boys Kenya or call 0771 072 897.
No more heartache since I found you, baby. But if you should leave me, I would surely go insane. But if you should leave me, I will never love again. Hey, 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 girl, we are together in this world. No more heartache, no more pain, baby. No more sorrow, no more strain. No more pain.
Run, brother rat, brother puss after you. Run, brother rat. Run, brother puss, brother dog after you. Tell me what you really gonna do. What you gonna do? The cat chased the mouse while the dog raced the cat around the corner. The vultures are waiting to see the great slaughter so that they can fly down and clean up after. While big guys sit up over yonder, having all the laughter while they lie, sipping champagne, having all the best of wine. They assemble to mess up your mind. Ayawoya, what you gonna do now? Do now?
What you gonna do? They always want to do us the things that I want, but we'll forever be forever strong. What you gonna do now? Do now. What you gonna do? They always want to do what's the things that I want, but we'll forever be forever strong. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do? Work so hard.
Deep down in Jamaica, close to Mandeville. Back up in the woods and top of a hill, there stood an old hut made of earth and wood. There lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good, who never learned to read and to write so well, but he could play his guitar like a ringing a bell, yeah. He said, go, Johnny be good tonight, yeah. He said, go, Johnny be good. He used to carry his guitar in the gun he said, sitting in a tree in the railroad track. Old engineer in the train, sitting in the shade, strumming with the rhythm that the drivers made. Hypnotizing eye would stop and say, oh my, how what the boy can play. I said, oh, Johnny be good tonight, yeah. Say, oh, Johnny be good.
with DJ Boys.
I just hold on tight and I know let go. If you go uptown and we rule, and if you go downtown and we rule, but them no want to see I prosper. Them just a call down disaster. But a murder we charge for. This the one a murder. Oh gosh, a musical murder. Anywhere we go in the whole wide world, them have to come away. Even though them a fight I saw. Oh gosh, I just a hold on tight and I not let go. I just a hang on tight and then I not let go. And if you go uptown and we rule, and if you go downtown and we rule, they no want to see I prosper. Them just a fall down disaster.
Now I may not be familiar with your language, but I sure would like to cross over your bridge. Said I may not dressed in style as the man in your town do, but I sure know how to say I love you. I wanna love you in the morning, love you in the evening too. Even when you're lonely, I'll make you happy when you're feeling blue. I'm just a stranger in your town. Once in a while I pop around. Now I may not be familiar with your language, oh no, but I sure am gonna cross over your bridge. Do I mean a dressing style as the man in your town do, but I sure know how to say I love you. I wanna love you in the morning, love you in the evening too.
You are that special one many searching for. Being around you make me feel like I'm a star, and just like a treasure find, I found you just in time. In just one simple way, I'd like to say you're irie and mellow, and in all the words you're sweet and kind. Don't you know when you're irie and mellow, and in all the words you're sweet and kind. understand in just one simple way. I'd like to say, Oriental love, and the other world is sweet and kind.
They took us away, so far away, yeah, so far away, so far away.
You're in the mix with DJ Boys.
They took us away, so far away, yeah, so far away, so far away, with guns and ships and deadly whips, so far away, so far away, so far away, far, 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 far away. We slaved so hard in the burning sun, so far away. They took us so far away. We are they who were taken away, brought down here just to work as slaves. And no more we can take it, no more, no. They took us away, so far away, yeah, so far away, so far away. Africa, Africa, Africa. We are they who were taken away, brought down here just to work as slaves. And no more we can take it, no more, no. They took us away, so far away, yeah, so far away. They took us so far away, with guns and ships and deadly whips, so far away, so far away, so far away, far, 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 far away. Some making plan to stay in a Babylon, so far away, so far away. Africa land, Africa land, Africa land, liberation forever.
Well, the years have come and the years have gone. Still the Son of Man keeps a trotting on. Journey, journey on. Yeah, from innocence to experience, from dependence to independence. Journey, journey on. Well, now I have loved and I have been loved. I have judged and I have been judged. Journey, journey on. So whether come or storm, there's a victory. 'Cause I'm in all and all is in me. Journey, journey
and let us share the good times together. It's only one world, let's share it together. Goes on my eyes can see, it's you, my dear. I don't know if the sun will shine tomorrow, but I know my eyes never let me down. And it tells me you're my future, and I believe my eyes. And I don't care if the sun don't shine anymore. If this is love, my dear, welcome to my world. And let us share the good times together. It's only one world, let's share it together. Goes on my eyes can see, it's you, my dear. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na, na 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 I don't know if the sun will shine tomorrow, but I know my eyes never let me down. And it tells me you're my future, and I believe my eyes. And I don't care if the sun don't shine anymore. If this is love, my dear, welcome to my world. And let us share the good times together.
I gotta tell someone, can anyone hear me? The girl of my dreams just told me that she loves me. She whispered and I was consumed so completely, lost in the love that I feel whenever she's near me. She's got me wishing for something that's missing, staring at stars, getting high on her kissing. Now I got my girl got me. We're making plans for a family. Ooh-wee. I gotta tell someone, can anyone hear me? The girl of my dreams just told me that she loves me. She whispered and I was consumed so completely, lost in the love that I feel whenever she's near me. Together we'll stay, come what may, nothing come between us or get in our way. This is for real, a really big deal. At last we found someone who knows how we feel. For real, I gotta tell someone, can anyone hear me? The girl of my dreams just told me that she loves me. She whispered and I was consumed so completely, lost in the love that I feel whenever she's near me. She took me out walking, I should not be talking.
Man
said you're sorry if him a go talk, him a go turn around bite you. And if you jump out that frying pan, I know you jump in a fire. See, you come from country in a country chop. Tell me, say you a look cool. Y'all go away from there. Me no want to see you round here. Sorry for my doggy, turn around bite you. Jump out that frying pan, I know you jump in a fire, yeah. I say you sorry for my dog, him turn around bite you. Jump out that frying pan, I say you jump in a fire, yeah. When I work with you, look how you're big and fat. Now you look like a real wet rat. Y'all go away from me no want to see you round here. Sorry for my dog, him a go turn around bite you. And when you jump out that frying pan, I say you jump in a fire, yeah.
Oh Lord,
Sorry for my dog, him turn around bite you. And if you jump out that frying pan, I say you jump in a fire, yeah.
You're in the mix with DJ Boys.
Me just a do what me have to do. Me no have nothing more to do. And if you know when me know, you go long go turn pop the show. Sorry for my doggy, and turn around bite you. And if you jump out a frying pan, I know you jump in a fire, yeah. They say you're sorry for my dog, him a go turn around and bite you. And if you jump out that frying pan, I say you jump in a fire, yeah. Your father give you money to buy this and that. Oh, your father money and buy this, yeah.
Don't run from the policeman. Don't run from the soldier man. If you know that you're innocent, don't run from the government. Come on.
DJ Boys on Facebook and Instagram at DJ Boys Kenya, or call 0771 072 897.
Know what you're gonna do after you're done your answer. Know what you're crying for. Didn't you know they were about to catch you? I know they want you to charge you for murder, shooting with intent, robbery, aggravation. I saw my brother, also little raging ball. I know they want you to charge you for murder, shooting with intent, yeah, robbery, aggravation. I saw my brother, also little raging ball. Cheerio, cheerio, baby, don't you know I'm in love with you? If you don't believe it's true, what else is there for me to do? Look how long I've been waiting for you to come right in. And now that we are together, please make all my joys come over. Oh, cheerio, cheerio, baby. Don't you see I'm in love with you? If you don't believe I do, then why don't you try me? I will never let you down. I will never make you wait no frown. If you say that you love me madly, well, babe, I'll accept you gladly. Oh, cheerio, cheerio, baby. Don't you see I'm in love with you? If you don't believe I do, then why don't you try me? I will never let you down. I will never make you wait no frown. If you say that you love me madly, well, babe, I'll accept you gladly. Oh, when everything is going right, they forget about your presence. But when the table turns upside down, they know that you're there. To my mom, who taught me that you are always there, I wrote this little song of praise. Now I'm gonna sing. Darling, the children, darling, the children, darling, the children, that rusters never die. Darling, the children, darling, the children, darling, the children, that rusters never die. Darling, the children, darling, the children, darling, the children,
under the wars, using what you're fighting for. Back, back, you need a double attack. Step back, here comes the short attack. Back, back, you need a double attack. Step back, here comes the short attack. What more do they want? They've got all they need. Yet they turn their backs and their hands that feeds them. Ooh yes, back, back, we need a double attack. Step back, here comes the sharp attack. Back, back, we need a double attack. Step back, here comes the sharp attack. Whoa, 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 yes. Whoa, 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 yes. Whoa, 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 yeah, yes. Whoa, 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 yeah, 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 yeah.
You're in the mix with DJ Boys.
Another new world order. Oh yes, a wicked world order. Oh yes, a new world order. Oh yes, back, back, we need a double attack. Step back, here comes the sharp attack. Back, back, we need a double attack. Step back, here comes the sharp attack. Let us stop this cultural diffusion, spreading fear and confusion. Staying close under the wars, forget what you're fighting for. Back, back, we need a double attack. Step back, here comes the sharp attack. Back, back.
Can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. Can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. Me say me can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. It hurts. Can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. If them set a dollar, from I they do 1-5. When me take a stop, the winning card always hide. For what? Can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. Can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. I look up on the ocean, there anchors a ship. When I check in Montego Bay, you sight the head of it. When you check back here in Kingston, you come back and you see the head. No one know where the head now the tail is of the middle international ship. Lord, me can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. Can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. Can I see? Can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me. Can't take the gambling, 5 to 1 with me.
I'm talking about this ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's fine, you see her in prayer. This ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's soft. Right now, mood I take her autograph. You know this ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's fine, you see her in prayer. This ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's soft. Right now, mood I take her autograph. She only need a break in life, so you can see what she can do. She's conscious and polite, and ambitious too. She's so distant, she's so quiet. She only wants someone to keep her warm. She's a warrior, she's a champion. Just give her a chance and see what she can do. This little ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's mine, you see her in prayer. This ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's soft. Right now, mood I take her autograph. This little ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's mine, you see her in prayer. This ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's soft. Right now, mood I take her autograph. she smile, you see your dimple, you're the ghetto girl. No matter check, she soft. Like a mood that take her out of grab you now.
Ghetto girl.
Girl, if I were your man, I'd make the impossible possible. And if you were my girl, our love would be so incredible.
Girl, but if I were your man, I'd lay you down in a big bed of roses. And if you were my girl, I'd find a way through the ocean like Moses.
Ooh. And girl, if you only take a chance, I'll show you what I can do.
Oh. And baby, let me show you what I've got in store for me and you. So give me just a minute, let me get into it.
So don't put your foot in on me corner, 'cause I'm my girl this, I'm my girl this. A long time me there you come on, yeah. And I'm my girl this, I'm my girl this. So don't push yourself in on me corner, 'cause I'm my girl this, I'm my girl this. You just come on and me the honor, I mean a lot on this, a lot on this.
Wait a minute, just a second, 'cause you're moving much too fast. The race is not for the swift. Now there's no need for you to get excited. Can't you see that she's already made her pick?
Now if that's what you're thinking, Richard Stevens, I've got the number, that's a trick. And there's something in the way she feels about me. I feel a chemistry that really makes us click.
Well, there is something that I've got to confess. Second Maxi Priest, me done get the address.
Just cool on me, hygiene, I'm beating my chest. I know I won't see you there. And girl, if you only take a chance, I'll show you what I can do.
And baby, let me show you what I've got in store for me and you.
So give me just a minute, let me get into it. So don't put your foot in on me corner, 'cause I'm my girl, I'm my girl.
Oh yes, it's dangerous. Things getting dangerous. Ain't I this a time? Boy, 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 boy. When man's got to pray, now is the time for the whole wide world. It's so dangerous. Evil is plaguing us. Got to open our eyes and look from within. See mankind, them are dwell up in a sin that's no good for us. It's disastrous. Wow, I see the fool, them are run up and down. But a long time we know these things have to come. If you run to the rock might fall down. Woe be unto the wicked man in this time. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, boy, boy. Boy. Sing it again. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, boy, boy. One more thing, there's never a day that I don't pray. I ask the Lord to shield me from my enemies. Oh yes, and they're plenty. Through the grace of